Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and if you've been following along with my videos on how to add a nudge factor or nudge distance to a new toolbar, and I've taken my new one away because I'm going to actually think this might be better, but you can take it to the next step. If you use Dockers a lot, you can go to Windows Dockers. Now you have to hold down the Control and the Alt key. If you don't, they'll disappear. But go to Dockers, hold down the Control and the Alt, and you can actually put it in that new window. Now we're going to take it to the next step, and I use join curves a lot. Hold down the Alt and the Control button and put it into that new window. And you could put a lot of them in there if you use find and replace a lot, or the property bar. But we're going to call that good, and then we're going to take this and we're going to hold down the Alt button this time until we get a highlight. And now we've got a Docker window, a join curve window, and the nudge. Now we can right click on that and change the toolbar to, because we've got room, we can put a caption and right to the right of the image. So now you've got a Docker, join curves, and your nudge. You've still got your nudge here. You've still got your Docker here. But right here, if I want to go to Dockers, if I want to join curves, here's one click. If I want to do it the old way, one click, two clicks, and then find it, three clicks, where now I've got it into one click. Now, as always, you would need to go to Tools and Save as Default, so the next time you turn on Corel, this will come up. Now, if you ever find yourself, and I'm going to do it on purpose, just holding down the Alt button, dragging it out of the way, it disappeared, it's gone, and it's gone from here. You're out of luck. That's no problem. Go turn Corel off. Don't check. I've got some keyboard built in. Go back to 19 or whatever Corel version you have. Hold down the F8 key while it's loading, and it'll go back to factory default. Now that'll change all my little things I've done, but it's not that bad of a deal. Once you get used to doing it, if you play around enough, you're going to make a mistake, and it's very easily put back. And like I like that on 0, I like this at 0.001. I like my color to be red. I mean, it doesn't take that long to get it back. I like it to be red, and I like it to be, I still don't understand what Corel does that sometimes. I need RGB, and I want it to be red. And the only other thing I always change is make sure you, under view, you have snap to page, and bring this little corner in and snap to it, and now your page is 40 by 28 or whatever it is, starting at 0 in the middle. And then you can save that at default. Now I've also lost all my little macros up here, but I can right click, customize workspace, and import my workspace from here. And it takes just a few seconds. I might not take the time, but everything will reappear except for my three new toolbars we actually added. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.